Good evening, I'm meteorologist Patrick Fitzgerald here with your Tuesday evening forecast. A severe thunderstorm warning was previously in effect for portions of Washington and Mobile counties in association with some isolated thunderstorms and pop-up showers that have developed across the region over the past hour or so, and that is being felt especially across northern Baldwin County, southwestern Escambia County, as well as northwestern Escambia County in Florida, where it is currently 79 degrees in Bay Minette, being felt by that rain, keeping the temperatures down. Low 90s elsewhere across the board, and warmest down towards Pensacola and Crestview at 92 degrees. Any pop-up shower or cell that does move into the southeastern portions of our viewing area by tonight, this includes southern Escambia County in Alabama, as well as portions of far northeastern Escambia County in Florida, through much of Santa Rosa and Okaloosa counties. We'll have to look out for a sporadic damaging wind gust or two that may reach severe criteria, although I'm not really expecting anything much. Now, this pretty much goes the same thing for tomorrow. I'm not really going to be expecting anything in terms of severe weather potential, although there is the chance that we could see an isolated brief severe wind gust or two. There's no severe weather risk currently outlined for the area, although I do expect the possibility, given some computer model projections as well as some guidance that I've been seeing. I do expect them to shift that marginal risk a little bit more to the southeast to include some portions of our area, and you'll see why here exactly in a minute. So we'll start off tonight at 7 p.m. Some isolated pop-up shower, or pretty much scattered pop-up showers across the I-65 and I-10 corridors south of a stationary front draped across the rest of the state. We'll clear out throughout the evening, and then by around 1 o'clock tomorrow, we'll see some return for some pop-up showers. They'll get more scattered as well as more intense with time, especially across our most northeastern counties. Another round could come in by around 6:30 p.m. to our most northwestern counties, and then we could see more isolated pop-up showers, especially along the I-10, I-65 interchange there in Mobile, where we could see a pretty heavy downpour by around midnight to around 1 o'clock. Increased clouds throughout Thursday morning, and then we'll really see another batch of heavy rainfall briefly move in, and you can really see right here pretty intense coverage of some spotty showers, especially across the I-10 and just south of I-65. Those will clear out throughout the day. We'll have another return by around the afternoon time frame on Thursday, but we'll clear out throughout the evening, and we'll be pretty dry on Friday, although we'll look out for an isolated pop-up shower or two, especially across Mobile County as well as back towards our western counties there in the Florida Panhandle, and we'll be completely dry throughout the rest of the day on Friday. And once again, same deal, possible pop-up showers as well for your Saturday afternoon. Now, with these pop-up showers continuing to spread across the regions over the next few days, there is the potential for some flooding concerns, especially going into tomorrow, where the Weather Prediction Center actually has outlined a slight risk level 2 out of 4 for the region. This means isolated instances of flash flooding are possible within this yellow shaded corridor. Not really expecting anything too much in terms of significant rainfall accumulations, but could see a pretty good 3/4 of an inch to an inch across much of the viewing area, especially right along the I-10 and I-65 interchange. Wednesday and Thursday are going to be once again the biggest weather days in terms of the 7-day forecast, but will dry out into this weekend and into next week, sitting around the low to potentially even the mid-90s going into next week, with limited rain chances, although we'll have a return to some more slight rain chances going into Tuesday of next week.